Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's Wednesday, and it's time for Will It Shave? Today's shave soap is by Canon. Thumbnail. This is what they call the big ass brick of soap. And this one is flavored or scented in sawtooth. I can't remember. It says on the package, my hair on there, 10 ounces of soap. That's a lot of soap. And if you guys have ever used this, you will know that it lasts forever in the shower. I really like this scent. It kind of reminds me of like being out in the woods, and then you've been cutting some wood and those fresh warm wood chips out of the saw, you know, in the environment. That's what I'm getting. I'm going to see if it shaves today. It lathers really well in the shower. I'm going to take this Trotters handcraft brush, and it's been soaking, but I'm just going to dip a little bit into the water here, and I'm going to just, I don't know, lather for a little bit here on the puck. And then after that, I'm going to take it to the Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'll probably take a little break in between there so I can get it, the lather the way I want it. It's looking pretty good already. All right, let me cut here and I'll be right back. All right, well, I got that accomplished, or at least to where I think it should be. And just to be safe, I'm going to be using the Gamechanger 0.84 with a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow blade. And just from the, I don't know, whatever 10 or 15 seconds of kind of lathering off the soap puck, I added 5 mils of water, and we'll just see how this goes, because I don't think I'm going to get too much more lather out of it. I know when you're in the shower and not eating the lather, it seems very slick, and the lather kind of sticks around for a little bit. So I thought, you know, why not give it a shot and try it out? I don't expect the lather to stay fluffy for a long time like you would in Artisan soap. And as you can see, it's already dissipating. So let's go ahead and warm up the razor and get going with pass number 1. That's bugging me. How does it keep getting over there? I've got 1 day's worth of growth here. I don't know if I had soap on my finger, but it feels like there's residual slickness. I know back in the day, Gillette had released the, what razor was that? It said use, sorry, use ivory soap only, or something to that effect. My brain's been on one of those little deals. It's like it went on vacation or something. I'm not having any issues with the razor and blade, and the soap is doing pretty well. Except for, you can see where the soap doesn't stay lathered, but the slickness is there, and so it gives you a little bit of it's kind of hard, you know, when you're used to seeing white all over the face, you think I'm missing a spot or I've already got that spot when you don't see the white lather. Just going to do 2 passes like I typically do. And I like this scent. My wife's kind of on the fence about it. It's not her favorite, but it's not her worst, and she can, you know, put up with it. So the scent is one of those scents, like all bar soaps. It doesn't really stick around for a long time, so I do like the way the soap performs as far as using it for the body. I feel like I'm squeaky clean. You know, I'm not a big fan of the gels, or whatever you want to call it. I always feel like a kind of slimy feeling, and I think that's like the chemical that they use. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Squeaky clean. All right, well, I'm not going to use any kind of aftershave. I'm just going to use the Star Jelly because the Star Jelly is a aftershave and balm hybrid. So should take care of all my needs today. Soap worked well, and for that amount of soap, I think that bar was $7 or $8. It lasts me like 2 or 3 months in the shower. So I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on Sunday's shave video. You have a great rest of your week.